it on. I want my toy. My brand new toy. I want my toy.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start it and then I'll pull it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go.
You're eyeing it.
I am. I have never unpacked, I think, a new one. No, I haven't. Give me my stuff.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hey y'all, it's Annelies and I'm here with my mom.
Hello.
And we are here because we have...
Go ahead.
What do we have?
Oh, we have a watch.
We have some toys.
Oh, toys.
That we're gonna unwrap, unbox for you today.
That one's the same as this though, right? Oh, no, it's not.
No, yeah.
Go ahead.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. It's
Okay.
newer. So now we
my.
have not one,
Dos.
but dos
Apple
Watches that we're gonna unbox. These are the Series 4
Yeah, that's what it says.
stainless steel
Oh,
with the 44 millimeters. So with an unboxing, it's very important to show all of the experience.
okay.
You know.
I just want to tear it open.
I mean, you could do that too. So, I mean, these are cool because you used to not have the pull tabs on them.
I
It
don't
used
know
to
what
just,
that is.
that
but
you
okay.
pull it.
Oh, and then it tears. Don't need
Let's
no
see.
scissors. No
Oh,
scissors. No scissors needed.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, this is different. Oh,
Yeah,
what the heck is
right?
it? Okay, hold on.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what? Oh, you
I'm
figured it
ahead
out.
of you,
Oh my
girlfriend.
God. Is this a race?
Oh, how cute. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh.
That's very cute.
Oh yeah, this is what, okay, so the guy at the store was telling me how the watch comes in its like own box now, and then the band is separate. Because I guess so that way maybe people can swap it out. So there's two boxes here, but this one has no
Then I'm
ceramic.
gonna swap it.
Well, no, you would have had to do it at the store.
Oh, well, the heavens to the Betsy.
Yeah. So what do you want to open first? Do you want to open the
that's-
band or the watch?
That watch, I know what that band looks
Get
like.
rid of this thing.
Oh, bingo.
Ooh,
Check
okay.
it out.
So we've got in here.
Oh, goodness gracious. Wow, it's got its old cute little holder.
Oh, it does. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
that is
Oh, that's
so
nice.
cute.
It's got this like little like velvet.
A little velvet
Containing
cover. Oh,
case.
that's cute. I like that.
That's nice. And then in
That's
here.
like keeping it safe and never using it.
Oh, these are just the
Directions.
instructions, but we don't need that.
No.
Yeah.
We're so smart.
Yep, the smartest.
How did you open that up?
I just, oh,
Oh heavens, Betsy just rolls out. Okay, well.
Another-
It should say eggs and over here.
That'd be smart.
Right?
Yeah.
So people don't drop everything everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we got a new Apple Watch cable.
Yay.
Oh, those are
Oh, yeah, now I got a new one.
Yeah, so now when you travel, you have one that you can bring with you.
Yes. All right. Well,
Now let's go ahead. Oh, this one doesn't have a pull
See?
tab on it either. It's just pulling open. When you buy them in store, remember it has that little pull thingy?
no.
Okay. Ooh, a new white one, because both of ours are so dirty and dingy.
Oh, nice.
But I've got a
All
quick
for
question
new.
for you.
Sure.
Well, less of a question and more of a surprise.
Oh, surprise is even better. What? Get out!
Yeah.
How nice!
So you can put on your new white band, or you can put on this new Pride Sport loop.
Well, put on that one.
Let's change it up.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, Annelies, you surprised me with that one.
Yeah.
That'll probably be the only one I wear now.
Ooh.
Oh heavens to Betsy! Oh, that's that
The
one.
fabric one, yeah. So let's, hopefully it fits good on you. Now's the
Hopefully it
moment of
does
truth.
too.
Okay, so make sure you don't drop it.
Oh, this is
We
so
do have
cute.
Apple Care Plus though.
Oh yay!
Okay, so these
This is so
ones,
cute.
there's the Velcro part. Now,
Say what? That
don't
is so
mind.
cute. Is it already got like batteries? Don't have to be loaded or nothing.
it's supposed to.
I'm trying to see the difference. So this one's a little bit more. Oh, that's what language I don't know.
How'd you get it out so
I
easy?
like these little guys.
I know, it's nice,
I'm gonna
but
put the other ones in there.
why is it so hard?
Okay, we're not. Let me see.
It's my nails.
Don't pull it. See if you
That's-
pull it. Oh look,
You're the
it's already
genius,
on.
not me.
Well, you got the genius from me, so.
Oh, hey, look at that!
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna show
Very
it off
cute.
to
Oh
the
yeah.
camera?
No, it's very cute. I like it.
So you can do the beauty guru thing where you put it up to the camera and you put your hand behind it so that way it's not focusing on anything different.
Yeah, no, that's cool. You did it already. Very cute.
Well, that's pretty much
That's-
it for unboxing it. Otherwise, we have to set it up. Do you want to set yours up now?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
How am I going to use it if you don't set it up?
I mean, no, that's an excellent point.
Is it like, oh, heavens to Betsy, I think I touched something. There you go.
No, look, you gotta just read it.
Goodness.
Oh, we're wearing the same band too. How funny.
Yeah, twinsies. And twinsies again.
Hopefully it fits. Yay!
Oh, heavens to Betsy. Look at that.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, that's actually very nice. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. You actually surprised me. That's nice.
I'm glad.
I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, this one here needs to be clean because this one's actually yours. I'll just take this one.
Oh my god.
I know, right?
So what we do is, because the sport band comes with 3 pieces, she uses the longer ones and I use the smaller ones. So I give her all my long pieces to the sport bands because I'm not going to use them. And just that way, oh look, it's done.
Oh, yeah. That took less than 3 minutes.
Yeah,
oh,
wow,
Betsy,
look at that.
How cute. Cool.
Man.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
This is a good thing.
And it's gonna work better than your Generation 1
Right.
Apple Watch.
Right? Very cool.
Yeah, it's easy.
That was easy. I could have done it by myself. Well, that's good to know for people who don't know how to do it.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
can do it 1, 2, 3. A new band. Thank you, Love Bug.
Yeah, you're welcome.
My goodness, here we go.
Well, now I'm gonna go set up my watch and get to play later on with my new toy.
All right.
Yeah, this went good.
All right, yes it did.
How'd
I'm
your
happy.
first unboxing of an Apple product
I
go?
know. That was kind of exciting.
Yeah.
I just got new stuff.
Yeah, because you just get it, like, there's so many little things that you, like, unwrapping this, like, taking this little paper off, and, like,
oh, God.
unwrap. It's like Christmas.
It is,
for
a
your
little
birthday.
bit.
That's it.
Thanks again.
Do you know what to say at the end of the videos?
Goodbye. What am I supposed to say?
If they like the video, what should they do?
Go down. Oh! That was dumb. If you like the video, subscribe.
Yes! Okay, that works. I was
There
looking
you
for
go.
thumbs up, but that works
Okay.
too.
That too.
And if they want to see more of you,
Of me?
yeah, maybe they can comment down below.
Oh, maybe you can. That would be
Yeah.
good. Oh my God, I'm so bad at this. Yeah, let me know what you think.
Okay, well, that's it for us.
Oh.
Stay beautiful, have a marvelous day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.